Hey everyone, this is Balint, and today I'm bringing you a fantastic opportunity to win a chatbot. So let's get into the details. This is a contest and the winner is going to receive a free membership in my Mastermind community for 6 months. So let's go over what I have in the course. Actually, I'm not going to go over everything because there are so many things here, but just let me just talk about the videos. So the core of the Mastermind are video lessons, and we have 6 modules where I go into the details with screen share, how you can build your bot, how you can utilize this bot, and so on. Another thing which I'm really excited about is, and I have the Chatfuel hoodie on, is that I will give you a free Chatfuel PRO Bot up to 5,000 users. This means that if you would otherwise buy this, it's a 55 with the cheapest price out there a month, and I'm saving this for you for 6 months straight. All right, if you have a bigger bot, let me know and we can make a deal. I want to give up to 5,000 for free. We will have weekly office meetings where you can jump in, we hop on a call, we share our screen, you can bring your question, I will answer that. And if you don't have the time, you will have the recordings and also the Facebook group where you can ask anytime and put up screen shares or whatnot. And another SaaS I want to talk about is Janis. Janis is a software that makes your bot way smarter than it is now. It helps you integrate with Dialogflow, and even on the free plan I suggest you to use it, but with the pro plan, which is included in the price here now, is there is an opportunity to make a human takeover. Only specific conversations would be triggered for your attention. And another thing, that you can train your bot on the fly, so no need to do extra amount of work. You can just get the messages from the users and then train the bot, and the next time these messages will be automated already. All right, just put your comment below why would you like to join, and I'll hook you up with the infos. Thank you very much and see you inside. Bye.